Hi, I'm Marcia. I'm one of the reference librarians here at UIC, and I'm going to show you how to access the Wall Street Journal articles without having to pay for a subscription to the Wall Street Journal. I'm starting at the library's website here, library.uic.edu, and I'm going to go to where it says databases, and I'm just going to type in Wall Street Journal here. At this point, oh, here we go, Wall Street Journal Eastern Edition. At this point, you may be asked to put in your NetID and password. You can use this site to find articles from the print copy of the Wall Street Journal, but you can also use it to get the full text of articles that you have found on WSJ.com. When it asks you to pay for the article, you can come over and use this interface instead. So one of the things I want you to see is that you can change the publication date. It defaults to all dates. You can do a specific date range, or you can take a specific date you're looking for. I'm just going to do the last 7 days. And then you use the Boolean boxes to look for the topic that you are interested in. I'm going to do artificial intelligence. The OR allows you to put in synonyms or related terms. So I'm doing artificial intelligence or AI, and allows you to add a second concept. So I'm going to do school with an asterisk. So I pick up school or schools because I'm looking for how artificial intelligence is being used in schools. Do a search. And I'm only finding 5 articles, but that's because I'm only limiting it to the last 7 days. And you see that you can get the full text of the article right there. So there's a couple things to keep in mind, and that is that if the article or the website has graphs or other images, you're not going to get that here. You really are just going to get the full text. The other thing is that I would say 99% of what's available in what's available on wallstreetjournal.com is going to be in here. But it may be on a different date. So if the article on the website appears this afternoon, it might not show up in this database until the next morning. In addition, it will often have a different title. So that's one reason you want to make the search fairly broad. You could limit it to the words being in the title of the article, but then since it might have a different title, you might not come up with it. So I'm going to go back to the library website. And if you have any questions, go here to where it says chat with a librarian and send in a chat, and we'll answer your question as quickly as we can. We're always happy to help. So let me know if you have any questions, and good luck with your semester.